Hey guys, it's Dana. Welcome back to Decorate with Dana and welcome to another Christmas decorating video. Today we're working in my kitchen, and if you've been around for a while, you know this is my absolute favorite place to decorate for every season. I hope that you find this video gives you a little bit of simple Christmas kitchen decorating ideas and inspiration, and so we will just get on with the decorating. So before we get started, I thought I would give you a little peek of the kitchen with pretty much everything cleared out of it and just have a nice blank slate to start with. So I love using these anchor jars. I picked them up from Walmart. I have quite a few of them. I did something similar last year, but I just like making Christmas in a jar and just putting little scenes in there. I'm using a little bit more gingerbread type of decor this year, so I wanted to kind of follow that theme. I am using regular salt. It was the cheapest. You can use Epsom salt. You can use sugar for the snowy part of these scenes.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, the dream.
Okay, so probably my favorite part in the kitchen to decorate are these relatively new open shelves that we just did at the beginning of this year. I love decorating this space, and you know, usually I keep it quite functional. This time I really just made it cute. I do that for the holidays, but you know, the rest of the year I do put a lot of functional pieces on here.
Did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to
So I always love to add garland around the window. I just put tiny little finishing nails in on the top of the molding and it holds it perfectly in place. I can pull them right out at the end of the season and you don't even know that they were there. This garland came from Walmart and it is really, really nice quality. I will be sure to link it down in the description box down below. This little Christmas tree sponge holder and gingerbread sponge is the cutest thing ever. I did get this from a local shop and it doesn't have a maker on the bottom. So if I can find it, I'll link it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to, but it is the cutest thing and just a nice finishing touch by the sink. The countertop area just to the right of my stove is probably the most used area in the kitchen, so I just want to keep this area functional. So I just added a few little Christmas rubber spatulas to this utensil crock and then a little silver reindeer. So a couple years ago, I did these cedar wreaths on the back of the bar stools, and I love the way it looks. I don't think I did it last year, but I'm not positive. But I just took that silk champagne gold ribbon that I've been using throughout my whole house just to tie them onto the back of the chairs. It gives it a nice natural kind of organic look. I love the way that the silk bows just kind of flow.
Everybody's sleeping, all is peace, and I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise men keeping watch, now it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm. And the star will always shine. It's the season for all time, walking in our midnight wonderland. The fuss and hustle of yesterday's gone. Now let us focus on the holidays, having fun, coming together with the family and friends.
So I pretty much try to keep the island as clear as possible. A simple little candle on this pedestal adds a nice festive touch, but this is a highly used area in the kitchen, and we don't want to have to be moving a million things to be able to use this space. Okay, so here is how the kitchen for Christmas came out. I love it. I think it's a mix of neutral but nice little pops of red in there also, just bringing in the traditional Christmas colors as well. So starting over here, all this stuff I've had, really nothing here was new. The only thing that was new was this little gingerbread house in that middle jar, and I did get that from Michael's this year. Otherwise, everything I've had, but anything that's new that I can link, I will link. That picture is from Etsy, I think 2 or 3 years ago. This tree I've had, everything basically I have had, but I love the way that this little area turned out. Okay, so this arrangement here on the kitchen table, I think it's adorable. These are these little drapey pine cone, really sparse picks came from, or actually stems came from Hobby Lobby last year, but I do think they have them this year. I'm not positive. These are dried oranges. You can obviously easily make your own. I did get these from Amazon. They smell absolutely amazing. So you can make garlands with them or just display them in bowls or however you want, but they smell amazing and I love the looks of them. And then this little gold deer tea light holder came from Joann's this year. And then the salt and pepper houses I did get probably 2 years ago from Target. So in my plate rack, the top I only for now just put that little wreath. I do want to get some cute plates, but I need some really small appetizer plates. But anyways, I just put a little greenery wreath in there for now. And then up here, this gingerbread house did come from At Home, and the little gingerbread tree did come from Michael's. This picture I did get from a craft show this year, so unfortunately I can't link it, but I do love the look of that. This tree I did have also. That little deer that is holding the little peppermint bark candies is a Creative Co-op deer that I did get from, or dish that I did get from Amazon, so I will be able to link that for you. And then down here, this little, it's actually a candle holder, but I'm using it to hold some of my wooden spoons, and then I just popped that little red and white rubber spatula in there for a pop of red. And then this gingerbread house also came from At Home. That Christmas tree board, serving board, I've had for a couple years, I think. And then this set of 3 canisters, I absolutely love them. They are part of the Creative Co-op that I also got on Amazon, and I did recently get those, so I will link those for you as well. Coming down here below it, I do have a regular cutting board, and then layered in front of it, I have a Christmas tree cheese board. This picture is from Amazon, and these picks were from a local shop to me, so I can't link those, unfortunately. This little honey pot is a McGee & Co. honey pot. I do have it on a little riser that I think came from Hobby Lobby. And then this is one of those Pottery Barn dupe ornament candles, and I love that. So around the window, I put this really pretty garland that I did get from Walmart. This is part of the My Texas House line. I absolutely love it. It's super realistic and just kind of flowy, so I think it's perfect. And then there's the little red berries to tie in the family room where I have a lot of red berries going on. And then these 2 little trees I did get from the same craft show that I was talking about, and it's just this little frosted kind of boxwood type of plant with some more berries. I have a Snowy Night hand soap. I did get this from Marshall's, and then I have another one of those same little trees on this side of the sink. Coming over here, I just have my little crock that holds all my utensils I use pretty much on a daily basis, and then this 3-pack of mitten rubber spatulas came from Walmart, and then I just have my olive oil and vinegar that we use all the time, and a little kind of vintage pepper grinder and a little deer here, and that's all I put over here. Has to be a functional, usable space. We do a lot of cooking right here. So right down here, I just layered a couple of towels that I think I got from Target last year. And then this is my baking for the holidays cookbook. I like to just leave this out and displayed for the Christmas season. And then I have my Creative Co-op riser, and then this little frosted tree. I think this is from Michael's probably a few years ago. I use these every year. I love them. Up here on the refrigerator, I have my covered cake stand, and I just pull that down when I need it. And then in this dough bowl, I have some greenery with some more orange slices and some vintage bells. You can't really see it, I'm not sure if I'll keep it up here, but I do like the looks of that arrangement. And then coming over to here to this section, this is a new cookie jar that I did get from Pottery Barn, this gingerbread house. I love it. And then I have another one of those little gold tea light candle deer. That tree I've had for a while. This pick I did just get from also another local shop, but it's in a little Hobby Lobby vessel there. And then this bottle brush tree I've had also. So on the backs of all the bar stools, I did tie these little cedar greenery wreaths. I've had these for a few years, and I just used that silk champagne gold colored bow, and I love how kind of organic looking this bow. It's not like a perfect bow, it just kind of flows, and then I dovetailed the ends of the tails. And then I have just a simple candle here on a pedestal with a marble top, and then this little candle ring wreath I did get also from that same craft show. And then in front of the sink I have my Christmas tree rug that I did get from Joann's. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a little bit of Christmas decorating kitchen inspiration. If you are new, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and follow me over on Instagram at Decorate with Dana. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.